Today I slept here. I didn't have time yesterday to make the assembly of all the furniture. Now the moment of the truth. Let's convert this into a bed. Just like this. Nice. Very nice. There. Okay. Oops. Here is the. So you should sleep with your head to that side because this area isn't that strong. As you heard, when I put my feet here, it went cracking. So, like so, that's it. So, today I'm going to do that. This is my couch. It's very nice to sleep on it and stay there to see more. So, yesterday I received a big delivery for my studio. To this studio, and I bought some furniture, and today I'm going to show you what I just bought. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So this is the first box and has mainly plates. Okay, I didn't buy a lot of things, just the necessary to have a comfortable living. So this is like Christmas but sooner. Okay, so as you can see, I bought some plates, but I made a mistake and bought some small plates instead of big plates to have dinner and lunch. So I have to buy another ones. I think so. So let's go to the next box. These three boxes are mainly for the kitchen, so we have more plates and stuff for the kitchen. The rack is very nice, as you can see, and it seems that all the plates are intact, so nice job Ikea. Well, the plates are all here, and as you can see, as I mentioned before, I made a mistake with these plates. It should be bigger ones to have the dinner lunch plate, the soup plate and the dessert plate, but well, that's what I got. I then buy new ones. Okay, let's see this one. I had some Tupperwares. They always be a nice fit in a kitchen. Some accessories for the food. Some cutlery, yeah. I just bought 16, I think. No, 2 sets of 16 with spoons for dessert, spoons for soup, a fork and a knife. Okay, so 32 in total. Here we have knives, and I love my new chop board. Look at this, it's beautiful wood, huh? Okay. We have some plants. Okay, I love these plants. I have those in the other house and they are nice, very beautiful. I order a lot of plants, I think, like 2 of these. They're called Fejka. This one doesn't have the name, and this one doesn't have the name either, but they are very common and famous around Ikea, so you will find them very quickly. This brush for the WC, yeah. And let's go to the toolbox. This one I have been using to sleep on the couch. It's very warm and was very cheap, so a nice add-on. I have more plants, but Ikea sent it in 2 different packages. I don't know why, but here we have 2 more plants. Just like these ones, but a little bit brighter, let's say. This is all for the Kavalked furniture that I bought as well, and I'll show you next. Here we have a blanket. This is for the bed, some towels. I bought 4 big towels, 2 of each color. 2 of these and 2 of these. One is already in use. 2 of these for the hands. I bought 2 as well of each one, of each color. This is the blanket for the bed. This is for the pillow for the bed as well, the protection. Of course, some cubes for the Kavalked furniture. So let's put this all away and I'll come back to start building some of the furniture. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next one I'll show you all the furniture that I bought from Ikea and I'll start assemble it. So stay there, and if you enjoyed this video please like and subscribe, and I see you next. Thank you.